Hello beautiful people, welcome. So today we'll be creating vinyl stickers. Yes, using sticker papers. Alright, so the first thing we're going to is our Cricut cut, and we're going into our design space. So once you have a Cricut cut Explorer or the Joy, whichever one, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Now that I have the design here, I'm just showing you guys. So the size of my cup that I'll be using, that I just showed you guys previously, 9 by 5. So now that I have the measurement, I'll be sending this to the printer. Once it is sent to the printer, this is where basically just showing you how it is going to be printed onto the sticker paper. So now we're just going to be sending it to the printer. Ensure up there where it says connect the machine, ensure that your machine is connect. I'm using a Cricut Explorer 2, and I'm going to be sending this to my inkjet printer. I'm using an Epson ET2800. So ensure that you also had the bleed onto this. So what the bleed does, it allows the cutter to actually cut around it so that it gives it a really clean and smooth cut. So now we're here, we need to select the type of paper. We need to ensure it is on the best settings. Now that is through, now it is going to be going directly to the printer. So because I'm using the Epson, mine will go through a little bit of process, as you guys can see here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow. Alright, so now it came out through, but as you guys can see here, there is a few smudge. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it. It has a little bit of smear, but all of that will be fixed. So now I'm just going to be using my laminated sheet. So my laminated sheet, everything that I'm using in this video will be linked down below in the caption. So you guys can just go find these on Amazon. So I have different types of laminated paper. Now this is a little bit tricky to remove the backing sometimes, so I'm just showing you guys how I lift it up and how I'm just basically going to be layering it onto my vinyl stickers. So what the laminated process does is that it allows it to be last longer. It's waterproof, water resistant, so when the cup is being washed and stuff like that, it will give you a longer I would say durability, or last a little bit longer. So I'm just going to be laminating the entire sheet. I know with some of the videos, persons are cutting the stickers to fit the the border section, which are the lookup. So for me, I just try a hack the other night and it worked perfectly for me. So I'm just going through this one step at a time with my squeegee. I don't want to be doing this too quickly, because if I do, then there's going to be some air bubble underneath this. So ensure that you use a squeegee to just flatten it out. I felt a little bubble somewhere there, so I just use my little weeding tool to just lift it up a bit and then flat it down back. So this is how it is looking with the laminated sheet that I have chosen. So now I'm just going to be placing it onto my Cricut cut mat, and I'm showing you guys that I use my marker to just brighten up that section so that the Cricut cut can read the registration mark. Because if you laminate everything, then the Cricut cut won't be able to read the registration mark through the laminated sheet. Now this is how it is looking after it was cut, weeded, and I weeded it off camera. So next time, if you guys want to see how I weed this as well, you guys can just let me know and I'll do it in the next video. So this is how the print turned out onto my living cup or the cup wrap, and I am just so obsessed with these hacks. Bye, subscribe.